Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, where
Hey,
is
good afternoon, everyone.
ma'am? Where is Sabiha, ma'am?
She's son is not well, so today I am.
Science.
No.
Ma'am.
English.
Ma'am. English, ma'am. We have done English. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ma'am. Armstrong's English.
Yeah, Armstrong's English. Y'all are merged today with me.
Oh.
Oh, Aisha's had a new haircut. Nice. Looking pretty good.
With Scratch.
Hi, Yaya. How are you?
Ma'am, in English, where are you in sharing culture?
Let's start by grabbing a move block.
Actually, yeah. Sharing cultures.
There are many other blocks.
Complete that, ma'am.
Different categories. Sound category and grab a play sound until done.
We have completed, ma'am. That's
When do you want?
You'll have completed.
Add an event block on top to start the code. I'll add the when green flag clicks block.
And what about it's a mystery? It's a mystery you'll have completed? No.
No, ma'am. We after exam we will start.
Add as many characters
Because
as
exam is coming. No, ma'am told we will do revision.
for ideas and inspiration.
Okay, great. Nice. Okay. So Aisha and Yahya has joined. Abdullah and all, please start your video. Ahmad, please start your video quickly. Ahmad.
A soccer field.
Ahmad, I'm looking at you. Ahmad, where are you?
This button.
Hi, Bilal. I don't know why I'm getting feeling as if I'm in my SDG class today. So many children, that's why. Yeah. Musa, Ikra, Abdullah, come on, children, please start your videos. We have to.
Ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, Aisha, what happened, sweetie?
I forgot.
I really like your hairstyle, Aisha. You look so sweet.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's baby cut. Or no, this is like a Squid Game doll.
Yeah, it's like a doll cut, exactly.
It's her hair. There's a ponytail she has and a clip over there.
Who's that? Who has?
The doll Squid Game.
Yeah.
You have seen? Aisha, you have seen that movie?
Start by choosing a character to fly with.
It is in Netflix now.
Let's pick something to fly with.
Children, just 1 minute, okay? Just give me a minute. I'll be back.
I'm just 1 minute.
It can be anything. I'll pick build. With Scratch.
Okay. So let's start then, children. Have we done our homework of last time?
Start by choosing a character to fly.
Which I sent in the group.
Renaissance Monument.
No, not. We are not doing SDG today. We are doing English today.
English.
We-
We did English today.
Ma'am, but I have done that. I will send it.
Yeah. No problem.
But just I have left that facts about. I will search for that. Ma'am, what the ocean name is? What the ocean name is? You have given that homework, no?
Yeah. Check your Google Classroom for the homework, okay? Now what we are going to do is, children.
But I don't know the ocean name.
Yeah, no worries, children. We just have to complete what is there.
टीचर वापस इंग्लिश करा रही है। SGG की मिस इंग्लिश करा रही है। पहले मैम स्क्रीन टर्न पर्पल। This is not SDG. Dice This is English for Armstrong. Yeah, बना रही हूँ वाला वाला से।
Yeah.
एक रेसिपी बोल के पक्का देंगे। देखने का चल रहा है।
Okay, I just muted everyone, but there was some disturbance. Okay. So Aisha and Ubada, can you tell me what we did last time?
We do.
Hello?
I think so. We do the singular plural.
Sorry, what we did?
I think that we do singular plural. Singular plural. Plural.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So let me open the
Oh, Sarah, you have topic. Yes. Ma'am, Madhya said. Ma'am, Madhya said, ma'am, can we play games today, please? Madhya said.
Yeah, children, we can play games, but I just
Okay.
want to
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Come, game class.
yeah.
Who joined game class? 2 classes joined the game class.
Okay. You remember last time, children, we were doing a lesson.
No, ma'am. We not it.
About the Maori people, you remember?
No.
Wanted to catch the sun.
Yes, I remember. Which people?
The Maori people who wanted to catch the sun.
Maori. Yes, ma'am. But how can we catch the sun?
Exactly, that was.
The rope will burn. The sun is so
If we go close to the sun, we will burn. Then how we can touch the sun?
No, we will melt.
My dear Afan, it's a play script. In a play script, you can even bring the moon down.
Ma'am, there is.
It's a play script.
Oh, you told place, that's why.
No, play script. So in that play script, you can bring the stars and the moon and the sun also down. No problem.
In reality, we are putting the sun down. I will go up. And the sun. I go to the sun. I will melt and fly to the space.
Yeah. But you know, I don't know how many of you have seen the news. There is one solar which has come into the
Earth.
not Earth, the boundary of the sun. You know, the outer boundary of the sun it has entered. Yeah, you should see the news. It's very interesting. It's a very interesting piece which I read yesterday. You know, I would want you to Google it. Okay. All right. So, children, let us just revise these answers. Newton also has done, right, this lesson, sharing cultures. So we'll just revise it, okay? So children, can you all tell me, we have done the entire lesson. We have completed everything. So can you tell me, these questions we have finished, right? What are the characters in,
Ma'am, can I tell?
yeah, what are the characters in the play complaining about, children?
The character in the play complaining that the days are too short and we cannot see what we are doing.
Exactly. Very good. I want Aisha, Afan, Ubada, Yahya to answer too, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
What are the children playing with?
The children playing with sticks.
Very good. Yeah.
I said.
Where does man 2 say he is going to look for mommy? Where he says he's going to go and
says he will look for mommy.
Forest to find the mommy.
yes, he said he would go into the forest. Very good. What kind of food does child 3 dislike? And I last time, remember, it was Aisha who said, "Ma'am, I also don't like vegetables." Remember?
Who do not like vegetable?
It is Aisha who does not like vegetables. I remember this.
Ma'am, me too.
You too, oh
I eat
my.
carrots, tomatoes.
Yeah, I remember Afan doesn't like tomatoes. That I remember also.
You know
Oh no, I like tomato. I like tomato.
You like?
Excuse me, ma'am.
And who was the one who said I don't like? But you don't like to eat it raw, right, Afan?
Wait, what?
You don't like to eat raw tomato, right?
Yes.
I remember you had told me. Cooked tomato you eat, but raw you don't like.
Ma'am,
I don't like tomato.
ma'am, you know what tomato and cucumber are fruits? Ma'am,
Some guys saying I hate tomatoes.
ma'am,
Everybody is talking at the same time. Who am I going to listen to? Ma'am. I have only 2 years, unfortunately.
can I tell? Ma'am, tomato is a fruit, ma'am. And cucumber also.
Yes.
I like tomato.
Does anyone know why it is a fruit? Who knows why tomato is a fruit?
Ma'am, because it is a fruit, but we think that it is a vegetable.
Why is it a fruit?
The tomato come in the category of the fruit.
Why does it come in the category of fruit?
Ma'am, it has seeds.
Okay. Good. And
Ma'am, it is it is juicy.
okay. And what else?
Ma'am, it used to be called the fox fruit. Ma'am. It used to be called the fox fruit, ma'am.
Okay. But why is it a fruit and not a vegetable?
That is a vegetable.
No, Bada, it's not a
No,
vegetable.
it's a
It's a fruit. Why is it a fruit? Google it and tell me, okay? I know the answer, but I'm not going to tell you. I want you to find it out.
Ma'am, it's the fruit because it grows on trees. I think. It has seeds.
Google the answer and tell me, okay?
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm doing. Why is it?
Okay. Do it for your homework, not now. Let's go back to the lesson. Okay?
It is a berry. It is a berry.
Okay. And
Ma'am, tomato is a question.
Google it and tell me, okay? So, I'm tell me on Thursday, and Newton will tell me tomorrow. Why is tomato a fruit? Okay?
Can I say, please? I got a nice
Ma'am, it is
answer.
both raw and cooked, ma'am. Both raw and cooked.
Fruits because they formed from a flower and contain seed. They are still most unlike a vegetable in cooking. Because they grow from the flowers of the plant and hold the seeds. Yes.
Very good, Aisha and Hina. Excellent. That is the answer. You all are smart girls. Very nice. Okay, good. All right. So let's go to the next questions now, children.
Ma'am, I can do, ma'am. The questions. The
Ma'am,
answer.
can I tell about tomato, ma'am? See, because
We'll discuss about it tomorrow.
Because they
Go back to the lesson, children. Okay, I have to finish
and
this.
they have
Okay. Now, why does woman too keep making mistakes in her weaving?
women too keep making mistakes in their weaving as it is. Sorry, what is that? Wait, ma'am.
because there was darkness, you cannot see the as the sun has gone down.
As the sun has
Yes,
gone down,
very good, Ubada. There was darkness, so she could not see. Good.
ma'am.
She cannot
But the answer, ma'am, but the answer is not
doing.
Ubada, could you repeat the answer for us, please?
Yes, because of darkness, women to making mistake
In her, what is that word?
Weavers.
Weaving.
Ma'am, women to keep making mistakes in her weaving as the sun goes down and she is unable to see to finish it.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
How does the actor playing Woman 3 know when to leave the stage?
Ma'am, women 3 know when to leave the stage. Ma'am, when the light gets shut down, becomes dark, they leave the stage. Ma'am, when the lights go down, knows when to leave the stage as when it becomes when the light goes down.
Okay,
Down.
okay, first let us ask, yeah, Aisha, can you say that answer for us?
Because
Ma'am, can I
the
say
light goes down.
fourth one? Ma'am, can I
The
say
light
fourth
goes
one?
down and they
Yes,
have
you
to
can
get
say.
down on the stage.
Very good, Aisha. Yes, Hinda, say the answer. Hinda, you were saying.
Ma'am, can I say
Woman
fourth
3
one?
knows when to leave at the stage as when it becomes down.
Ma'am, can I say fourth one?
Yes,
dark,
very
not
good.
down, dark.
Dark then.
Yeah. So because the lights, the theater lights come down, okay,
Ma'am,
so
can I
she
say
knows that she has to get
fourth
up.
one?
Okay.
The end of the way.
Yeah. Okay. Abdullah, can you say the fourth answer? The fourth answer.
The village elder speak with authority means the village elder speak with power.
Yes, very good. The village elder speaks with power and authority, right? Yeah.
Authority.
So what does this mean? What does this mean, children?
A power to control or demand obedience from others.
Yeah. So basically what happens is people respect that village elder because he has so much power and authority.
Power and knowledge.
Knowledge. Yes, very good, Ubada. Excellent.
And
Good.
authority.
Ubada is my good child, you know. He always answers well. Aisha also answers very well in my class. I'm so happy. And I'm also happy that Abdullah also is answering now. He also has taken the initiative to answer. Very good, beta. Nice.
Ma'am, Inda have also did the answer.
Yes, Hinda, you also have done, but I'm talking about my children in particular, my Abdullah and my Ubada and my blah blah blah. Yahya and everybody, okay? Yahya, I want an answer from you. Afanto always answers, so it's okay. All right. Okay.
Ma'am, Inda can answer the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can say the question now.
Let's do the next one. Okay. True or false? The village elder thinks Maui is wise. True or false?
Yes. Ma'am, true.
True.
Maui wishes the days were longer. True or false?
False. False.
No, false.
Maui was fishing from the shore. It's false, yeah.
False.
Because he was in the canoe, right? Remember, he was in the canoe.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Maui decides to travel to the edge of the world.
True.
False. No, ma'am.
Why does the village elder think that Maui will be able to help?
Because he reached very many. He reached very.
No.
Ma'am, the village elder
As
thinks
Maui
Mavi
has
will be
achieved
able to
many
help
great
as
things
Mavi
that
has
seem
achieved many
impossible.
great things that are
Yes, very good. Nice, Hina.
Hinda,
And very
ma'am.
good, Ubada also. Okay.
It's Hinda,
Maui
ma'am.
says that he had a big bite when he was fishing.
reached.
What do you think
Maui
this means?
had a big bite when he was fishing.
Big ma'am, he got a big fish.
He got
He got a big
Excellent. He
fish.
got a big fish. Good.
Ma'am, it means he caught a huge fish while fishing.
Big fish.
Yes, correct. Do you think that the fish that Maui nearly caught was as big as he showed with his arms?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Maui
yes,
was
yes,
exaggerating
yes,
that
yes.
it was a big lie when
Ma'am, it
he
was.
said
It
it was
was.
as big
No,
as
ma'am.
Do you think?
Exaggerated as it
Nobody is
is
even allowed me to talk.
was fishing.
Ma'am, Maui was exaggerating.
I'm specifically asking Afan, Ubada. Okay, listen. Afan, Ubada, Yahya, Abdullah, and Aisha. Okay, and Ahmad. Was it really a big fish? I mean, as he had showed with his hand, was it that big?
Yes, it is. And Maui was exaggerating as it was a big
Very
lie.
good, Aisha. He was exaggerating. Remember last time I was explaining the meaning of exaggerating? Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So,
you can write yes, it is. I told.
yes, Hinda, tell me what is your answer to this question?
Ma'am, I only told the answer. Mavi was exaggerating as it was a big lie when he said that the
No, I did not hear because everybody was answering. Bilal, I want to hear your answer now. Bilal?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry
Yes.
for the too many children, yeah? Okay.
Okay, what is the question?
The question is, was Maui's fish as big as he had shown with his hands?
No, it was exaggerated.
It was exaggerated. Very good. Nice. We are good. We are almost ready for the test, huh? Okay. Right. Now let us do regular verbs. Does anybody know what are irregular verbs, children?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What are irregular verbs? Tell me.
Ma'am, present and past tense.
Ma'am, it is like drink and then the past tense
I
will be
am,
drank.
I was.
And then tenses
Ma'am,
before.
that is a present and past tense, just like I am, I was.
Okay.
You are.
No, but what is the meaning of irregular verbs? See, we need to know what are irregular verbs. Okay. So I will show you what are irregular verbs. Okay, children, it is very simple.
They do not follow the.
From everybody now I'm going to talk right now. Please don't talk. I'm explaining something important now. Okay. All right. So now, can anyone tell me what are verbs?
Ma'am, action words.
Ma'am, the action words.
Very good, Afan. Very good, Bilal. They are action words. Okay. Now,
Like
verbs.
I
Yeah. Verbs in the past tense. Musa, please don't annotate. No annotating on the screen, please, my darling children. No squeaking too. No squeaking too.
Irregular words mean.
Okay. Abdullah, no noise, huh? So, as I was telling you, children, we are going to do irregular verbs. Now, verbs we know are already regular and irregular in the past tense. Yes, Ubada, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, irregular words mean that follow users patterns Then we use them in different tense.
Very good. We use there is a pattern. Okay. Now, what is this pattern that we are talking about? Yeah, what is this pattern in the past tense? So, from simple present tense, we are going to put it in the simple past tense. So, it has to follow a pattern. Abhi pattern kya hai? What is the pattern? The pattern is it should either end with D or it should end with ED. Okay. For example, we have the word play, right? Can we add a ed for play in the past tense?
Ma'am, played.
Played, yes. So, this is following a pattern. Play becomes played. So, there is a ed over here. Can you see the ed?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us take another word. Okay.
Ma'am. Okay.
Work. What does work become? Can we put
Worked. Ma'am, worked.
ED.
Working.
worked? Very good. Can we see the ed?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is whenever a word ends with ed, ed or d in the simple past tense. Okay. That these words are known as. Okay.
Irregular verbs.
These verbs are known as regular
Regular verbs.
verbs. Follow a pattern such as ed and d. Okay. Now I'm going to give you some examples of some other words. Okay.
Sit, sat, drank, stored.
Okay. Now sit. Does it become seated? Can we say seated? Bilal Khan seated on the floor.
No, sat.
Sorry. What does it become?
Sitted.
Sat.
Huh? Aisha seated? Are you giving me a shock? Yeah, so what does sit become? Sit becomes
Sat.
Sat.
sat. Okay.
I told that.
What does drink become? Drink.
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 Drank.
D-R-I-N-K-E.
Aisha drank coffee today.
Drank.
Ah,
Drank. Oh, drank.
drank. Okay.
Steal. No. Steal.
Stealed.
Stole.
Yes. So, it can either become drank or it can even become drunk. Okay. Now another one. Okay.
I'm drunk when you like drink alcohol.
Domestics for trial.
What does steal become?
Stole.
Stealed. Stole.
Stole. Okay. Now,
Steal.
in these words, children, can you see a pattern?
What we
Such
are
as
doing-
ED and D. Can you see a pattern, children? Or does it change completely the pronunciation and everything
telling?
changes? What do you find over here? Sit becomes sat. Drink
Sat.
becomes drank or drunk.
Drink.
Steal becomes
Drank.
stole. So there is no pattern over here formed. Okay. Like there is no C and D.
Played.
Okay. So because these words sit, drink, steal, even the verb to be. Now we are doing the verb to be, right? Okay. To be. So like for example now. Let's take she is going. Okay, for example, she is going. How does it become in the simple past tense?
She is gone.
She was going.
She was going. She was going.
Yeah. She was gone. No, she was gone. No, no, no. Don't say that. She
He was.
she was.
Going.
Because it is past tense.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
it-
So what happens
then it
is,
would-
children, we need to remember, ये जो is है ना, it becomes was.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
So is not become ised, right? Or ised.
Can you
She
hear me?
ised going.
Yes.
Listen carefully, children. Is it becoming she ised going? Is it becoming like that?
No, ma'am.
No, it is completely changing. Okay.
Can you hear me?
So did you understand, children, what are irregular verbs and regular verbs?
Yes.
Yeah, how many of you understood? Raise your hands. Very good.
I do mean hands to the
So those words which are following a pattern, D and D, they are known as regular verbs. And verbs which don't follow a pattern, they are known as kya? What they are known as? Irregular verbs. So let us quickly do the activity.
Irregular.
Who is listening in my class?
For science experiment, I have prepared this plant. It's grown in the sand.
Okay,
The
that's nice.
coriander plant.
Okay. So let's do the activity, children.
Hello.
The village elder dash an important man. What is it?
The village and
The village elder is an important man.
Important man. Okay. Maui dash in the forest.
Mauri
was
in the forest.
Okay. Maori carvings dash often made from wood.
Often made from Maori carvings are
Excuse
often
me.
Often
Rewrite the following sentences in the past tense. I am on my way to see a play.
I was on to see a play.
I was on my way to
Very
see a
good.
play.
So now I am and I was on my way to see a play. Is it a regular verb or an irregular verb?
Irregular.
Yeah. The actors are ready to begin.
The actors were ready to
They
be.
were ready to begin.
The play is based on a Maori legend.
Play
is
based
on
Is
on the
The play was based in
the play was based on a Maori legend.
Can you hear me?
It was.
Now, do you all know about this alphabetical ordering? This is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
simple, children. Okay, you all can do it in your own free time. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to rewrite the word in alphabetical order. So whichever alphabet comes first in A, B, C, D, you have to write it. It could even be the second letter, okay, of the word. So check carefully and do this activity. Why are we doing this, children? We are doing this because it helps you with, using a dictionary. Okay. Now, let us go to this poem. Have you all done this poem, children? Model writing?
No, ma'am.
Here, Mr. Witt.
No, you all have not done? Okay, no problem. We will do it now. Okay.
Blow much harder as we
Mr.
cannot.
Wind, can you please blow much harder as we cannot sail our boats, dry our clothes, fly our kites? Dear Mr. Wind, could you please blow much harder as we have no breeze cooling us gently on a hot day, no waves crashing hard on the beach, no aeroplanes flying high in the sky? Dear Mr. Wind, please blow and blow and blow and blow. Okay. So this poem is about whom, children?
The wind, ma'am.
Yeah, the wind. Yes. Okay. So today I'm going to teach you children how to write a poem. Okay. This is going to be interesting. So basically we need to remember, children, that we are going to write a poem for the sun to shine longer. Okay. Now we are going to use the same number of verses just as we have used in Mr. Wind. Okay. So now what are we going to do is we are going to write 2 more lines for the first verse as shown below, and we are going to start each line with a verb. And then the next stanza, 2 more lines we are going to write starting with no. Okay. And at the end, we have to put an exclamation mark. Okay. So now,
Ma'am, you know,
can you tell me?
ma'am,
Who's
do
the
you know if a son actually dies? Like, ma'am, you are in mute.
No, I'm not mute.
Oh, no, ma'am.
Can anyone tell me how is the sun important for us?
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
gives
can
us
you hear me?
light.
Can you tell me, children, how is the sun important for us?
It gives us light, ma'am.
It gives us light. Very good. What else?
Light and hot.
Ma'am, it makes us warm.
It makes us warm. Good. And what else?
What?
It
Bilal, you
will,
all have a sun where you stay. Do you have a sun?
yes, ma'am.
Or do you have a moon? What do you have?
Sun or moon, what?
What do you have where
Now
you
it's
stay?
daytime or night time. Now it's daytime or night time.
Okay. Sayed, do you have a sun where you live? Wait. Sayed, do you have a sun where you stay?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm
Yes,
just
Aisha.
Okay.
okay. I was asking Sayed. Sayed, do you have a sun where you live? Yeah? Does everybody have a sun where they live?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of us are aware what a sun is?
ma'am. You mean a child's son?
Nah, beta, I am saying a normal sun.
Okay. Can I say sun is everywhere? Ma'am, it's very
Yeah,
sunny.
sun is everywhere. Very good. That was a good answer, Sarah. Okay. Now I want you to tell me what are the uses of sun?
Ma'am, if the sun gives us light and makes it warm.
Ma'am, it gives us vitamin D.
The summer flowers, they grow.
How many of you do laundry over here? I want to know. How many of you help your mother with laundry?
We do the laundry.
Laundry? What means laundry?
Our mother doesn't do the laundry.
Okay. But there are some people over here. Okay, Musa helps his mama sometimes. That's good. Anybody else over here who helps mama with laundry?
Sure, ma'am, me also.
Very good, Aisha. Nice. Afan also helps his mama. Good.
Then sometimes.
And I.
Sometimes. Okay. Ikra also helps her mama. Okay. Nida, what are you doing in my class? No. We are talking about what we are doing in class, please. Okay. So, as I was saying, we all know what a sun is and we all help our mother with laundry. So, after washing the clothes, what do we do with the clothes? We keep them in the house only?
No, ma'am. We kept in gallery or roof for drying in sun.
Yes, we dry our clothes in the sun.
Dries our clothes.
That's what
Yes.
said. That's basically what I said, but in
I think it's time's up. Yes, 42.
Yes. No problem. Children, we'll complete this in the next class. Okay, no worries. Okay? Okay, children. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, let's go.
Bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.